来看一下猫的反应有多快。
A collection of great actions by cats, the little ones, the tough ones. Never underestimate this furry creature. Cats have long been known as lazy animals, sleepyheads, and spoiled queens at home. But wait! They also have another side. Behind the innocent gaze and spoiled meow. There are extraordinary instincts and actions that can make us shake our heads. Cats can also be guards, saviors, and even loyal friends who know when to act. Who says cats can only sit on your lap and sleep all day? These great actions are not accidental. They have courage, sharp instincts. And love that they secretly show through their actions. And among all those events, one thing is for sure. Cats are not just pets. They are little heroes in our world. The little tough ones, the gentle ones that are extraordinary.